What's the best advice you would give to an aspiring laundromat owner or a potential investor? What would you tell them?
Um, do your research. So if they're listening to this, then great job. You're on your way. Um, I think that is particularly important. The other thing though that's really important along those lines is to like really look at the whole deal. So there's plenty of laundromats out there that you can
Mhm.
buy for, you know, 100 grand, 200 grand, and you think it's gonna print all this money,
Yeah,
and it might, right? It might be cash flowing well,
right.
but then at some point you're going to need to reinvest in that business, and so you need to be thinking about what is it going to cost me to
Hmm.
replace the equipment? What is it going to cost me to do these renovations
Yeah.
and improvements? And so you need to think about the whole deal to make sure that the numbers can work. Because, since COVID, right, like all of the costs have gone up pretty significantly.
Right.
And that puts more pressure on owners to market their businesses and differentiate themselves because now they have to
Hmm.
because they've got a higher loan payment. And
Hmm.
so for owners who are thinking, I'm just going to get in this business because, this laundromat is cheap and it's going to print money, that might be the case for a period of time. But then when you've got to reinvest in it,
Hmm.
uh, you want to make sure that you've got that plan,
Yeah.
and the lease too, right? So you want to make sure
Right.
that um, that you're you don't want to get into something and have 5 years left on your lease and the landlord isn't going to let you
Right.
extend your lease, so then you get in a situation where shoot, now you're stuck with the store that you can't retool
Hmm.
because you don't have a long lease,
Hmm.
and so then you're on your way to it becoming another zombie mat, right?
Right.
So that's one of the ways that zombie mats are created. So anyway, those are that's just very important that
Mhm.
owners or potential owners really understand the business before they get into it.
Right. Perfect. Jamie, this is great. This is everything I had. Is there anything I didn't ask? Is there anything that you would like to get out there that you think people could learn from your journey these last 10, 11 years? Uh, Anything I didn't ask?
I think that great thing about that one of the really great things about this industry is the community
Mhm.
and the connection. And again, I credit CLA a lot to promoting that community. And so I think it's important for owner or potential owners to find people who are doing the things that they want to do, right? And go learn from them.
Mhm.
Um, you know, we're all busy, but
Mhm.
I also think that this industry is incredibly generous with time and knowledge. So I think don't be shy. How about
Yeah.
that? Don't be shy.
Let's leave it right there.